Hello.
Here they come. Hi, you guys. So we are going to Ikea today. Yay, road trip.
Road trip. A beard grab. You grab my beard.
We're lost.
But it's okay.
Where are we going, Sam?
Gonna go get some balls.
The boys think they're going to go and get meatballs immediately.
We are.
But you're not, because
Yes, we are.
we are going to Ikea to do shopping.
We're going to eat meatballs and then we'll find you at some point.
No, because
Yes.
you guys are just going to go off.
No, we won't. Look, there's nowhere else we'd rather go to apart from the food court.
Well, there's no point in you both coming.
Yes, there is.
We could have just done a girls' trip.
No.
Well, you would never have got there.
Wow, you need to calm down.
I'm hungry.
Well, you should have had breakfast then, shouldn't
I
you?
don't want
What did
breakfast.
I say?
I want meatballs.
I said. I see it. I see it.
First exit, yeah? Yep.
Oh, yay! We get to buy stuff with money we don't have. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yay! We made it. Ikea. Ikea. Yes, let's go to the children's stuff. I need to come here every weekend and spend all my money on Ikea. They're going to get meatballs. Ellie, they're not listening to us.
No, they're not.
10 vegetables, please.
Oh, they look good, babe. Stop it.
Hampton Park.
Why are you cooking? No, don't cook. Why are you cooking?
Just doing a bit of cooking.
Oh, you can't not.
Look at these. This is cute. I need this.
We have something like this in the kitchen.
You can't wrestle like that. This is cool. What are you doing?
What? Come here. Kneel down there.
Get out. Too small. Imagine doing your work like this. This is the best part of Ikea. The children's park.
Come on.
Oh, Matt, can we get him? He's a puppet? Oh my goodness, we need him. We need him, Matt. Look! Oh, can you get him for me?
No.
Oh, an orangutan. Danny would love him. Oh my goodness. Let's get him. Big lion.
It's not that bad.
Look how thin this one is. Look, this is a pancake one, man. Let me help you. Is it this? You got to do it. You're going to get in so much trouble.
Straight for the lights.
I don't feel comfortable with you guys doing this where the glass is. These rugs are great. There's me.
I thought they're all going then.